Did you wake up stiff, heavy, or unrested? Let's reset that right now. This 5-minute stretch will unlock your spine, melt tension from your hips and lower back, and help your body finally feel like it rested. And one move in the flow, most people never do it. But when you hit it, you'll feel the stress pour out like warm water. Start in child's pose, knees wide, arms reaching forward. Feel your hips sink back. Breathe deep. Now, inhale and shift forward. Press into your hands and glide into cobra. Chest lifted, shoulders soft. Then slowly return to child's pose. Repeat that flow, slow and intentional. This isn't just a stretch, it's a movement for your entire body. I promise this back and forth will awaken your spine, decompress pressure, and energize your nervous system. Beginners keep the cobra low, elbows bent. Advanced stretches are press into a fuller cobra, lifting your chest high. Most people think their back pain is muscular, but often it's a lack of movement. 5 more seconds. Can you flow just a little smoother? Do you feel that release across your mid-back? That just opened your spine. Now let's get into those tight shoulders. From all fours, walk your hands forward. Keep your hips above your knees and melt your chest down toward the mat. Forehead or chin to the ground. This is where we reverse hours of slouch posture. I promise this will create space between your shoulder blades and improve your posture in ways you feel all day. Beginners, use a pillow under your chest. Advanced stretches, bring your chin to the floor and reach deeper. This stretch directly targets your thoracic spine, a critical area for breathing and rotation. Sink into it. 5 more seconds. Is your chest starting to feel lighter already? Now that we've opened the top, let's soften the lower back. Lie flat on your belly and bring your elbows under your shoulders. Forearms parallel. Lift your chest and gently pull it forward. No strain, just space. You're now entering a zone most people avoid. But this is where the magic happens. I promise this stretch gently activates the lower spine, promoting both blood flow and recovery. Beginners, keep your belly fully grounded. Advanced stretches, press into your palms and lift a little higher. Sphinx pose is also great for digestion and core support. Stay with me. 5 more seconds of hard forward breath. Feel that soothing pull in your abs and lower back. That just calmed your spine. Let's unstick those hips next. Sit tall, knees bent, feet flat, wider than hip width. Drop your right knee inward like a windshield wiper. Alternate slowly side to side. This movement is subtle, but the benefits are massive. I promise this will awaken your hip joints and reduce that stiff, locked feeling you've been carrying. Beginners, keep it slow and small. Advanced stretches, add a forward lean for more intensity. Most people only stretch their hips externally, but internal rotation is what your pelvis actually needs for balance. Go for 3 more reps. Does one side feel tighter? That's your body telling you where to focus. We've got one more move and it's going to feel surprisingly good. Lie on your back, bring both knees towards your chest, and draw slow circles with your hips. After 30 seconds, switch directions. This is where all the tension starts to move out of your body. I promise this will re-lubricate the joint, reset your gait, and prep your hips for a better day of walking, sitting, and standing. Beginners, use small circles. Advanced stretches, let your legs straighten slightly for a deeper rotation. Your hips are the bridge between your upper and lower body. When they are tight, your entire body compensates. Last 5 seconds. Can you make the circle just a little wider? Feel that deep internal massage from the inside out. That's the work. That's the win. That wasn't just a stretch, it was a reset. Your breath, your spine, and your soul. You're walking into today with more space in your body and less stress on your mind. But if you spend hours sitting, that reset won't last by itself. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free daily flow that keeps your body pain-free, focused, and aligned long after this ends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment before the tension creeps back in. You started with presence. Let's stay there together.